How to fix Nike Run Club not working. Hello and welcome to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your application is not working, first and foremost, launch a Play Store in your device. Now in the search bar, go ahead and search for Nike Run Club. Check that if there is any of the available update or if the application is undergoing an update. In that case, your application will not simply launch or work if the app is undergoing an update. Just wait for a couple of minutes and try again. If this does not work, there might be a technical bug or a glitch issue. What you can do is you can press and hold onto your application, head over to App Info, tap on the Force Stop button, head to Storage and Cache and clear it up. After which, it should solve your application not working. The last resort is to actually uninstall your application if none of this actually work. Additionally, you can check for your Wi-Fi connection as well. When your Wi-Fi is acting up, such issue may persist. So check for your Wi-Fi connection, switch into a better Wi-Fi, or switch into a cellular data. And that is how you'll be able to fix your application not working. And this is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.